everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change wallet address on Hamster Kombat. To replace the connected wallet to Hamster Kombat is a straightforward process. First of all, launch Open Telegram and then make sure that you open up your Hamster Kombat bot. If you don't know how to open up the Hamster Kombat bot, you can check out our other videos on how to create a Hamster Kombat account or Hamster Kombat sign up. Once you're inside this main homepage of Hamster Kombat, go ahead and tap on airdrop at the bottom right corner. Once you get to this page, tap on connect your Ton wallet. If your Ton wallet is connected, you will be able to see the wallet address on the bottom of the screen. Tap on the cross icon to the left of the address of the previously connected wallet and click on yes under Are you sure you want to untether your Ton wallet? Right after you do that, you will be able to disconnect from your connected wallet. Go through the wallet connection process again by tapping on Connect Your Ton Wallet, tap on Connect Your Ton Wallet once again, and then select one of the wallets from the next page. Right after you do that, you will then be able to see this pop up. Click on Connect Wallet, enter your passcode for your Ton wallet, and then you will be able to change your wallet address. And that way you will be able to change your connected wallet on Hamster Kombat. This will also change your wallet address. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.